welcome to Tasty Time. It's your girl Michelle. I am super excited to be shooting this episode because we've been away due to this whole coronavirus issue. And guess what? We are back. We are back with loads and loads of recipes. Before this coronavirus, we are on our sauce edition of Tasty Time. So right now I'm going to be rounding up with this amazing, super loving recipe, and that is your beef stir fry. I personally love this sauce because it is very colorful and the taste, oh my god, it is so amazing. Do not go anywhere. I'll be back with the introduction of my already prepped ingredients.
Adiba Supermarket, one of the most sophisticated supermarkets in Nigeria, where you can shop and get your favorite items from beauty products, clothes, toiletries, pharmaceuticals, wines, drinks, and many more. Located at number 53A, Adiola Odeku, Victoria Island, Lagos. Adiba Supermarket, a place where you can get exciting things to gladden your heart at affordable prices always. Visit us today as we enrich your home.
Here's my Scotch bonnet pepper, carrot, salt to taste, chili pepper, curry powder, diced onion, some spring onion, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, ginger, some seasoning cubes, thyme, my green bell pepper, egg, vegetable oil, my minced garlic, sesame oil, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and of course the star of today, my shredded beef. Okay, so those are my ingredients for this recipe. Let's get into this business. You need to marinate your beef beforehand, like 30 minutes before you start this cooking, so the flavors marry each other. I'm going to start by throwing in some salt. You have to be careful with salt. And then I'm going to throw in some chili pepper. You can add as much as you want. I love spicy food, so I'm going to throw in some minced garlic, just very little. Some soy sauce. You know what? I think I should just add this directly. I'm going to throw in some corn flour. And finally, the star for the day. I'm going to throw in 1 seasoning cube. So I'm just going to mix this whole thing up. You need to mix this properly. I need to add some more corn flour. I'm going to mix it up again. I can already tell that this is going to be a very wonderful meal. I don't know about you. So I'm going to cover this up and leave for about 30 minutes. Okay, so it's time to... This recipe is actually very easy, like it's within 10 to 15 minutes you're done. First of all, I'm going to throw in some vegetable oil, just very little vegetable oil, because I want to fry my marinated shredded beef. So So let's wait for this to get hot. Now I'm just going to fry this whole thing. So I'm going to keep stirring this till it becomes brown a little, and this is going to take about 5 minutes. So keep stirring, guys. So this is ready. This has been on fire for about 5 minutes and I'm okay with what I have right now. So okay, I had to switch pots because the other one was kind of burning. So firstly, you have to throw in your vegetable oil, very little, just enough to fry your vegetables. So I'm going to throw in my onion, and of course these ingredients can never be perfect without your garlic, and of course some ginger, I'm just going to saute this for a while. So I'm going to throw in some Scotch bonnet pepper. I don't know, you can add enough. It depends on how much you love spicy food. I really love spicy food, so I'm going to add. And now I'm going to throw in my carrots. All of it. Yep, everything. I like putting my carrot first because it's stronger than other vegetables, so come in first. Just going to saute this for a while. You don't have to do this for a very long time because you want your vegetables colorful, alive. So I'm going to throw in my green bell pepper. Give it another stir, another stir. Very, very slow. I'm going to throw in my seasoning cube. At this point, your kitchen should be smelling like heaven. Yeah, I've not been to heaven, but I know. So, the other colors of pepper have to come in. It's important to cut your vegetables in a particular manner because it just makes it beautiful and really good. I'm going to throw in some curry powder, thyme, some white pepper. I'm going to give this another stir. Okay, so I'm going to add my soy sauce, just a little soy sauce. Give it a big stir. The smell is heavenly, guys. And some extra oil. And not coming out. At this point, I'm going to throw in my beef, our star for the day, and just give this another big stir. Come on, this is really looking beautiful, and I know it's tasty. I can tell that it's tasty. To make this really saucy, I mixed some cornstarch, and I'm just going to throw in the cornstarch, just very little. And finally, my spring onion. So I'm going to stir this. So you have to taste at this point for salt and enough seasoning. So I'm just going to do that. Seasoning is perfect. One more big stir, and guess what? We are actually done. Like, this sauce is the easiest to make.
My name is Mona Lisa Chindakoka, and you're watching iBrandTV.
Okay, so it's been an exciting time in the kitchen, and this is the part where we all love. I have a guest here with me, and he's going to taste the food and he's going to rate it. So guys, give it up for Mr. Prince Ifeanyi DK. He's an actor, he's a director, and he's a producer. You're welcome, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay, so this is tasty time.
Yes, I've heard so much about your show.
Okay.
And I think this is the right time where all these seasoning companies should come and identify with you.
Exactly.
Because I believe you're doing a lot
Thank you.
for the people out there, especially those that can't cook. Because they say that the way to a man's heart is through the tummy. And lots of women have really felt that. So my wife actually really did a lot in making sure. I'm salivating. Can I just go ahead?
Okay, so before you eat, after eating the food, you have to rate it on a scale of 0 to 10. You have to rate it.
Wow. Okay. After tasting, if I find anything wanting, should I?
Of course, of course.
All right.
Okay, so you can start now.
All right. Okay. This is quite interesting. Well, let me just do it the African way.
Okay.
You know, use one spoon to try and catch the taste. So I'll go for the rice and a little bit of the sliced beef. I can see that the beef is sliced with.
Shredded.
You have green pepper, onions, and tomatoes.
So many vegetables. It's
Wow.
really very healthy. Like, it's a healthy meal.
Okay, let's go. The beef is tender. The tomato is really.
There's no tomato. You're not a good cook.
No, what's this red thing?
It's red bell pepper.
Oh, really? But it
Yes.
looks like tomato to me.
Yeah, but it's red bell pepper.
It's okay. The red pepper is a little bit crunchy.
Okay.
And everything. Let me have one more taste to confirm. I tell you, this is wonderful.
Oh my god.
This is wonderful. I'm a good eater.
Very good.
I eat very well.
Okay.
And viewers, you are missing a lot.
Exactly.
In fact, This is good for all those weddings,
Yeah.
you know, all those parties, and in fact, if you want to make your husband very happy, just prepare this, and I tell you, he would give you a blank check.
I know, right?
Okay, 1 to 10, because nothing is perfect in this life.
We know.
I'll give you 9.
Oh, that's so nice.
I tell you, this is so wonderful, and I think I'll just take a sip. Not too peppery. Perfect.
Okay, so you've heard from him. It was an amazing meal, which means you must try it this weekend. So do not forget to like and share this video, and do not forget, I really don't know why you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel. Please and please, I'm begging you, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and do not forget to follow us on our social media handles currently showing on your screen. See you next week. Bye bye.